Running, it's a type of meditation. Health is just a byproduct, but the main thing what you get is the mental stability. और 13 तारीख को लगता है कुछ ज़्यादा ही दौड़ लिया, 21 किलोमीटर, हाफ मैराथन. And then I thought, why not illustrate that, the complete story. 13th of September, सुबह 5 बजे उठा, as a plan, and then drank almost 4 to 5 glasses of hot water as my daily routine. 21 किलोमीटर ज़्यादा था, इसीलिए मोबाइल और वॉच को प्रॉपरली चार्ज करना इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. 5 से 10 किलोमीटर की रनिंग के लिए आई डोंट नीड टू कीप द वाटर विद मी, बट 21 किलोमीटर आई नीड टू थिंक बिकॉज आई नीड टू कैरी द वाटर इन द बैग, इन द बॉटल, हाउ. देन डिसाइड किया, लेट्स कैरी द बॉटल इन द हैंड. ओके, सो ऑल सेट. हाथ में वाटर बॉटल थी और मोबाइल रनिंग बेल्ट में पीछे की तरफ. And started to record the activity now. Started running. पिंपले सौदागर से स्टार्ट किया और हार्डली 2 किलोमीटर भी नहीं भागा था. लेफ्ट साइड में टेस्ट ऑफ इंदौर का शॉप आया, जहाँ पे लोग पोहे, जलेबी और कचौरी खा रहे थे. Anyway, I crossed them. So I started a bit steady and slow with almost 7.5 minutes per kilometer का speed से, because I know that I need to conserve my energy for covering 21 kilometers ahead. I was running with 1 liter water bottle with me, which is almost adding up 1+ kg in my complete weight. So once I crossed the Chaktab dairy, on the road was very good for the runners because you see the cycle route, pedestrian route over there at the side of the roads, and lots of trees around. So इस route से on तक पहुंचा around 6 to 7 kilometers from Pimple Saudagar, almost 30% distance covered. In my condition, so far normal. On to Pune University Road is also almost straight and scenic. Road, you have the cycle route, you have the pedestrian route, so that's good. Straight on this road, kept running, and almost after 9 kilometers on left hand side, I see Pune University. Left turn and moved in. The cold breeze, just absolutely amazing. Complete green, people were jogging, walking, and running. No vehicles at all. Then the destination, Pune University building. Took a pause of 2 minutes. Took a couple of snaps. My first water pause. And a salt capsule. Salt capsule basically for potassium, magnesium, and the salt to get inside your body as you're running more than 10 kilometers over here. So it's required. Let me show you on the chart. I started 0 kilometer from Pimple Saudagar, reached Pune University, which is 10 kilometers. I kept running inside 2 more kilometers, reached the building, took a pause of 2 minutes, drink water, took my salt tablet, and then running back to home towards Pimple Saudagar with again the water and the salt tablet in between some time. I was listening song in between. After 14 kilometers, my headphone just stopped. I don't know why. I continued. Half a distance I was normal, no water required, but after almost 12 kilometers, water was required almost every 2 kilometers now. So after 16 kilometers, it was a bit exhaustive, where I started drinking water cautiously because I only had 1 liter of water with me. It was also getting emptied. One more salt tablet at 18 kilometers. And last 2 kilometers, I was striving for water because my bottle was completely empty. But my heart rate was around 160, which is still fine. Usually in marathon, last few moments always your willpower works, and that's what I think it worked for me as well. As soon as I came close to 21 kilometers, I started gradually coming down. I checked my watch, it finished 21 kilometers, and I gradually stopped after that with relief. Yeah, so target was to finish 21 kilometers in 2 hours 30 minutes, but I finished in 2 hours 36 minutes, which was okay. So I stopped my watch, just walked nearby a shop where I ate few bananas and drank coconut water. That was amazing. I think it's a great feeling whenever you finish your marathon, and it's a sort of achievement for you. But I always believe it's a journey, it's the feeling which matters the most and not the destination. Life is always about the experience of your journey and not the milestones. Happy running.